Alright, and it's time for barbecue. Alright guys, barbecue. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid guys. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, today look what I have here. I'm gonna make filet mignon with bacon on the barbecue. Alright guys, so that's what I need to do this dish. Alright, so I'm gonna start with what I have here. I have oregano. Oregano, I have 1 teaspoon. I have here 1 package of beef bouillon. Alright, and also I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, you guys don't have to use. Alright, so I have 1 teaspoon of Old Bay. Alright, 1 cup of teriyaki sauce. I have ½ cup of steak sauce. Alright guys, to give that flavor, alright? So I have here ½ cup of olive oil. I have 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I have here 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, alright? And I have here rosemary. I have 1 tablespoon of rosemary. And I have here 1 tablespoon of tarragon. I have here 2 tablespoons of teriyaki marinade. Alright guys, I use 2 types of teriyaki, the regular one and the marinade. Alright, so also I have here cilantro. I have 1 bunch of cilantro, and I have ½ bunch of parsley. I use parsley only for decoration. Right? So I have here 1 package of sazon, and I have here ½ stick of butter. Alright guys, and also I have here 6 filet mignon with bacon. Alright, I already did these ones so you guys can see. So now I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Alright, so if you can bring the camera a little bit here. So this is the filet mignon. The other ones already is made. So you get the bacon and you wrap the filet mignon, and you get this. Right, so when you take a look, so you wrap so the bacon doesn't fall off. Right, make sure it's tight. Okay, it's tight. Alright, so now let's start to make the marinade. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start this with my oregano. Alright, here with the beef bouillon. Alright, very good. Looking good. The black pepper. Good. Oregano, Old Bay, sorry. Alright. And also I have here the rosemary. Looking good. I have here my tarragon. Right? My garlic powder. Alright. Very good. So now you see guys, the color and the flavor comes together. Alright? Looking good. Alright, my soy sauce. Olive oil. Yes, and also I have here a ½ stick of butter. Alright, put my butter here. Alright, ½ stick of butter. Looking good. This is my sazon. Right. Teriyaki sauce. Right. Steak sauce. Looking good. Teriyaki sauce, guys. That's looking good. Alright, this is my cilantro. Alright. Cilantro. Good. I'm gonna put just a little bit of the parsley. Okay, just a little touch. That's what I have here. My teriyaki marinated. Okay. Good. Right. Very good. So my marinade is ready. So what you guys gonna do is you guys gonna get a knife, knife, okay? And I already did some holes here. So what you do is you make some holes so the marinade penetrated, right? Good. All right. Looking good, guys. Now you're gonna get this. Make sure if you guys stir very good. Looking good. So now you guys do like this. Looking good. All right. Ooh, that looks good, guys. The rest just pour everywhere, right? Very good, guys. Alright, so this has to be marinated for at least 1 hour. Alright? If you guys want to marinate this overnight, you guys can do that too. Alright, but I'm gonna leave here for 1 hour. And I'll be back shortly, right? Hey guys, how you doing? Alright, very good. Time to check. Alright, time to check. Time to check the filet mignon. Alright? I have been marinating this for 8 hours. Alright? 8 hours. So you guys can marinate for overnight if you guys want, right? So I did this for 8 hours. Let's see how it looks. Alright. Woo, the smell. Oh, look at that, guys. That looks fantastic. Fantastic. Alright? Fantastic, guys. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright. So, you guys want to cook with me? Alright, let's go. Come on, follow me. Alright guys, let's go. Ooh, this looks good. This looks good, guys. Alright, my barbecue is preheated. Alright, so let's cook this baby. Whoa. Wow. This smells comes up right away. Right away, guys. Very good. Alright guys, looking good. Smells so good. And I'm hungry. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, time to check. Alright? Ooh my god, the smell goes all over the place, guys. And it's time to flip. Alright? It's time to flip. Oh, alright, it's looking good. Looking good, guys. Look at that. Look at these babies. It's getting ready. Alright. Very good. Alright. Oh, it smells so good. And don't forget to paste, alright guys? You don't have to use the whole thing, alright? The whole... All right. Color comes together in the flavor, right guys? All right, very good. Okay guys, see you a little bit. All right guys, time to check these babies. All right. Whoa, that looks good. It's getting there, guys. It's getting there. It's looking good. All right, it's looking good. Time to flip. All right, that looks good. Looks good, and it smells very, very good. All right, guys. All right, very good. Okay, guys. Wait for 5 more minutes, and we'll be done. All right, see you guys in a bit. Hey guys! Woo! Long time! Woo! Hey guys! Finished product. Alright? Looking good. Looking good, guys. Alright, you can bring the camera here and that's finished product. Alright? Filet mignon with bacon. Alright? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright, let's go. Let you know. Alright? I'll let you know. Whoa, it smells good. It smells good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. Wow, this smells good. It's very good. Hot this. Alright. Out. Alright. Okay guys, I'll let you know. Look how you guys can see that. How beautiful looks. Medium rare. Alright? That's the way I like it. You guys can cook more if you guys want. Alright, but that's the way I like it. Oh, my mouth is like I'm hungry. Alright. Very soft. Guys. Wow, this is delicious. Wow. Hey guys, it's very easy to do it. Alright, you guys are gonna love it. Let me take a little bite. It's very good. It's melting in my mouth. It's wow. This is a real deal, right? The flavor, it's all over my mouth. Very good, guys. Very good. Hey guys, you guys have a good weekend, right?